guys, Star Captain Vishwag here, and today I have got a really good thing done. So in Mech Arena, my favorite mech is Killshot, and today the double copy is there. So for every mech, if you upgrade it a lot, you get the second copy, like I just got. So in that celebration, I'm gonna open a 10 coin loot rush, and hopefully I get some A coins, I guess. Yes. Oh, so close. But again, too far. Night camo. Nice skin. Nice. Let's put it on. So, let's start. So, Name is gonna come in the next battle. He's gonna come in, afterwards. But I spent a lot of A coins on this, like 2500 to just put the copy up, and then so much that I can't even tell you. I've been storing for a lot of time. So let's do some fun with it. Let's get some kills, let's poop on people, let's obliterate them, and then let's get some dubs. Dub on. And dudes, like and subscribe to see more of these videos. So here it is. So was my old copy. So I put the same color also so that it matches. And here we are. We are gonna take out all these people. And now actually I'm turning off my camera because I can't play. It's irritating me. So why don't you play with camera off? So yeah, you have seen my face now. I come in some videos, my face comes in some videos, and this time I tried to put it, but it's too irritating and it's too hectic. Oh shoot, dude, that was pretty bad. Okay, threw him, literally threw him. Okay, one mech down, we can get our second one. We don't care. And yeah, so Name is on the call looking at me. He can't play right now, he's eating food, but still he's there to support me, and I think so now I should let him talk to me. Hey Name, you can talk to me now. Finally, you can talk to me. Yeah, so the luck was that I got so many A coins that I had so much fun with it. He remembers it. I got it yesterday and I had so many A coins to waste. I wasted so many, and today I am keeping Shadow. I don't know why, but okay. Yeah, Shadow on, boy. Oh shoot. Oh, okay. I'm dying like flies, but still no problem. All my kill shots are dead. No, man, lol. I got 3 kills with 2 kill shots. Yeet. Yeah, they both are dead. Everyone targeted me. 4 people were there. 4 of them were kill shots. All of them were kill shots. So no, I had 0 HP. So all of them had the javelin rack. So everyone targeted me, and then I died. That's my story. I'm playing that, what do you say, Control Point Clash. Oh shoot! Oh, that was bad.
You are dead again?
Nope, not right now. Not currently. And then I'm dead. You had to say it. Literally. Anything other than that could you have said? Take that control point on. And then Vishwa gone. I got that kill. I was about to yoink that kill from that person. You have survived too long. Oh my... Dude. This guy has Zephyr. Oh shoot! My Zephyr is dead and I'm fully dead. Yay, that guy was 0 HP and then he Zephyred me. The EMP thing. And...
Very spectating.
I'm spectating the enemy person, and now someone will long. No. That's the enemy team. Sorry. Yeah. So one personal guardian will pulse cannon. Dude, pulse cannon sucks. It's the worst weapon ever created. Why would?
On me with Panther.
No, it's not great. It sucks. Like, I don't know why would
rules
some.
with kill shot. It's just the rules with kill shot.
Yeah, with kill shot, bots keep it. Do you want to be a bot? I don't think so. You want to be a bot.
Let's
Oh.
do a bot.
Bot mech. Yeah, actually, we should make a video in which we use the starter mechs like kill shot, panthers, and all.
MD, Guardian.
No, Guardian is not a starter mech. He's not a starter mech. It comes after a lot of time. So Bulldozer, Ares, Panther, Killshot, and then Paragon and Lancers and MD you can put. Like, I really want to put my.
Panther. I'll put kill shot. I'll put.
I have double copy, so I don't care.
No, you can only put one kill.
No, that's not fair. It never said that in the rule book. There is no rule book also. It's a law. Yeet! Oh shoot, I missed it. And then I don't get the control point. Wow. That's unfair. Oh shoot! I am dying, I am dying, I am dying, I am dying. Oh shoot.
And time someone hacked, like, I got rocket motored out of nowhere and I didn't even get the sign of getting rocket motored.
Yeah, that sometimes happens. That's a glitch, I would say. And my first mech is out. Yay! And now, second copy coming into action. Yikes! Ouch. Ouch. Someone is trying to thermal lance me. No pro. Once again, didn't I just bleed dash that guy? Die one. Oh. Okay. I thought that I had Zephyr by mistake because I have not been playing with double copy of Killshot. And let. What? Wait a second. He didn't even attack. How did he kill me? Ah. And dudes, if you like my videos, like and subscribe so that I make more Macarena videos, Among Us and all. I've stopped playing Among Us for a while because the pack has been split out summer holidays. So yeah. Still, me and Name play Macarena every day, so it's fun.
Not everywhere. Not everywhere.
Almost every day, I would say. Wait.
We don't play on Saturday, Sunday, or Friday.
Yeah, Saturday, Sunday I play with my brother Minecraft. So I will record with him. So my first recording went very bad. We couldn't hear him like in the jumping video of us. So yeah, the monster jump video also didn't go that well as we couldn't hear Nabe. So I switched back to my original recording thing, which is my Android phone. So yeah, fun time.
I'm almost finished with my food.
Good. Then next round you can join me. Yeah, I can see it. I'm almost dead. Like there are two people next to me. What is this? This is unfair.
Okay, short time.
No, it's not Killshot, it's Zephyr. My Zephyr is getting teamed on. There are two people over there. Okay, my Zephyr and my Killshot second copy came. Dap. So you finish your food, get your iPad and all. I'll then play one more game and then one more game with you and then bye bye. That's what's gonna happen.
Because my iPad is already there. Can you wait for a minute?
I started the game, sorry. You have to open now. You have to eat your food, open and all. So yeah.
See? It's
I can see it. You guys can't see it, but I can see it, so yeah. Do you want to see Name guys eating food? Sorry dude, that stopped recording. I'll join it. I'll join the videos, edit it. But yeah, so I was about to show you guys Name eating food. This is very weird, but so you can see me, right? I will put it reversed. See, this is Name eating food on a Skype call. Say hi, Name. Say hi. For once you're gonna be seen. Oh shoot, I'm dying. Okay, so I'll turn off my camera now and then start killing some people. Oh, that was cool. Oh, Yuvan is in my team? Okay, don't kill me, Tia Sticks. Team up. Okay, thank you, Yuvan. No need to team up when you have a teammate who's ready to kill like me, but he couldn't. I think so. Yuvan has like 16 energy or something, but he has put wrong weapons. So yeah. Oh, that was pretty cool. Like, I was focused at that time, so yeah. But let Yuvan take the control point. I'll come with my kill shot. Surprise! I'm recording, don't say anything. Okay, so let's see what this guy can do against the second copy of kill shot. One second, Name. Oh, my kill just got stolen. Let's see what we can do here. We can take the control point. How did Yuvan survive all that? Yuvan is still alive. Just give me a second. I'm in a battle. Yeah, that's good. Oh, I came to join that kill. Oh, is that guy over there or yeah? I shouldn't have dashed away. I don't know why. What, Name?
I'm so close to the
Show me. Show me. Where's this guy?
9,000 is kind of less now. You know what? I'm upgrading my bulldozer.
Yes. Okay, so Yuvan came first and both my kill shots came. So dab.
Do you want to see my guardian's almost 24 energy?
Is it 24 energy? Okay.
Almost like that. Because now let's make the other video.
So guys, hope you guys enjoyed. I think so you had a lot of fun because second copy of Killshot is very fun. And hope to meet you guys next time. Bye.